shout out to my friends over at Amaran. I told them I was doing an office update and I really wanted this light because I feel like it was going to be perfect for the setup. And they sent it to me. I've been doing a little bit of a office revamp and update. I've painted in here. I've put wall art, which you guys can't see right now. I've done a little bit of decorating, and I've also replaced my old desk with a new desk. I want to be able to sit right here and record my YouTube videos. I feel like the less you have to do when it comes to filming, the easier it'll be to get content out. So this is the current setup. As you can see, I have my camera on this stem, and then I have this $50 softbox light here in the corner. And honestly, this works. It looks good. But I have a different light that I want to put here, and I want to show you guys. So shout out to my friends over at Amaran. I told them I was doing an office update, and I really wanted this light because I feel like it was going to be perfect for the setup. And they sent it to me. So today we are going to do an unboxing, and I'm going to set it up and test it out. Oh. So the first thing we gotta do is get this package open. I know this is not the most ideal angle, but we're gonna make it do what it do. Y'all, I love this already. Like, look at this. And mind you, I didn't even tell them what color I wanted, but they went ahead and sent me the white one. I feel like that's just so thoughtful. A lot of the tools that I use are white, so I feel like they really thought about me when they sent me this. One of the first things I saw when I opened the box was this. So if you didn't know, the amaran Verge Max can actually be charged via USB-C. So both of these cords go together. So when it's time to charge it, you just connect this to this and then plug it into the wall. Also get a couple of amaran stickers, which I'm probably not going to use them, but it's cute that they included it. I feel like this part is the heaviest, but this is the clamp and the stand that the light is going to go on. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. This is the part that you actually clamp to the desk. This is a pretty decent size. It's also very like heavy duty. So I feel like when you put something on here, it's not going to go nowhere. You just unroll it like this. And this is good because if you have a really wide desk, this can definitely fit on it. My desk is probably about an inch thick, so I don't need all of this space, but it's good to have it if you need it. Now this next piece is the arm. So the light is actually gonna go right here and then it'll extend out, and this will allow you to swivel the light. And then it also comes with this piece right here. So if you want to extend the pole to make it taller, that's what this is for. So what I'm going to do now is do a little switcheroo with my current setup. I'm going to put this light right here and we're going to see what it looks like. Okay, so now that I finally have the light set up, this is what it's looking like when I'm filming with my camera. I am filming with this light at about 50%, and I have my color temperature set to 4500. And for this light to be at 50%, I would say that it's definitely bright. If I put it all the way at 100%, this is what it would look like. How you decide to set the intensity of your light is definitely going to depend on your video style. I, for one, love the bright and airy look, but this light gives you some wiggle room. So if you like your lighting to be a little bit more moody, you can definitely do that. Right now, I have my light sitting at about 30%. This is a little bit too dark for me, but if you like that look, you can definitely go for it. I think 50% is like the minimum I would go with this setup. And for reference, I am filming with the kit lens on my camera. So the most wide open aperture I can do is 3.5, which means that my ISO has to go up a little bit higher. So right now I have it sitting at 320. But of course, if I had a more wide open aperture, I can turn my ISO down a little bit more and probably not have to have my light as intense. Now, when it comes to these circle panel lights, I'm actually not new to this. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I've been using lights like this for years. But the reason why I wanted this one in particular is because one, I wanted to be able to sit down at my desk and record videos just like I'm doing right now. And I'm pretty sure I could have took my other light that I have and put it on a stem and did all of that. But even if that would have worked out, the controls on my lights are on the back, whereas the controls on this one are on the front. So it makes it a lot easier for me to see what I'm doing. And it has a small display so I can see what intensity I'm at, and I can also see the color temperature. Now, when it comes to a desk setup, a lot of people will use a softbox. Depending on what type of softbox you get, they're usually big like this. And this can take up a lot of space, and also it's just not aesthetically pleasing. What separates the amaran Verge Max from your typical panel light is that panel lights usually have LEDs all throughout the light, which can make the light harsher. But with the amaran Verge Max, the LEDs are around the perimeter of the light, which makes the light softer. So even if you are a person who films beauty or makeup or hair content, this would still be a good light to have. Amaran also sent me a grid that you can put on top of the light to make the lighting more directional. I won't get into all of that in this video. I do have more videos coming up soon featuring this light, so stay tuned for that. Obviously, I haven't been using this light that long, but at this point, I can definitely say I love this light. If you've been thinking about getting it, hopefully this video put some things into perspective about whether or not you should grab it. I think this is perfect for creators like me who want to sit at their desk and record content and just have a easy setup. If you want to get your hands on it, I do have a link to it in the description, so make sure you check that out. If this video was any kind of helpful, please give it a like, and I will see you in my next one.